Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Okay, because it is still pandemic, still corona. So please keep your spirit, keep your body healthy so that our immunity is always maintained. Well, students, today we will learn about descriptive text. Do you know what descriptive text is? Well, oh, maybe one of you, have you listened about it or have you known about descriptive text? Okay, now please we will study about it. Yeah, come on. Now please listen to me. Miss Mia want to tell you about what descriptive text is. Okay, descriptive text is a text which describe a thing, a particular object like animal, people, or maybe a place. Ya, so descriptive text adalah sebuah teks yang digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan benda, bisa manusia, bisa binatang, bisa tempat, in specific way, dalam cara yang khusus, bukan secara umum. Jadi binatangnya ya secara khusus, manusianya ya khusus. Biasanya bagaimana? Yang khusus itu misalnya pakai nama seseorang. Misalnya our president, Mr. Jokowi. So, not Jokowi yang lain ya, tapi but Mr. Our President. Our President, Mr. Jokowi. Itu tentang deskripsinya atau semacam definisi itu about descriptive text. Next. And then go on to the generic structure atau bagian-bagian teksnya. In descriptive text, there are two parts. There are two generic structure. The first, it is identification. Second, it is description. Identification, it is in the first paragraph, and description, it is in the second paragraph. What is identification? Identification is it is the section is the first paragraph. The goal is to identify something to be described. Jadi identification tadi adalah tujuannya untuk mengidentifikasi sesuatu yang akan kita deskripsikan. Atau semacam pengenalan benda atau manusia atau tempat yang akan kita deskripsikan. Itulah bagian pertamanya, yaitu identifikasi atau identification. Bagian kedua tadi apa coba ingat? Okay. The second part is description. What is description? Description adalah penggambarannya, penjelasannya. Okay. Description is in the second paragraph. Kadang satu teks itu terdiri dari beberapa description. Jadi tidak hanya satu saja, boleh 2, 3, tergantung sebanyak apa yang akan kita deskripsikan. Okay, so in this description, in this the second part, description contains of the properties inherent in something that you already introduced into in the first paragraph. Jadi description tadi adalah bagian ini itu kita akan mengungkapkan penjabarannya atau secara detailnya bagian dari topik yang kita kenakan pada identification tadi. Okay, ya, next. And then beside identification, description, nah ada lagi nih ciri-cirinya. What is the characteristic of descriptive text? Apa ciri-cirinya? Ciri-ciri yang pertama yaitu penggunaan tenses. We use tenses present tense. Yes, present tense. And then the second, use adjective. What is adjective? Adjective means kata sifat. if we want to describe about people, about thing, yeah. So automatically we use adjective. For example, I'm fat. So fat is adjective. You are beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. He is tall. He is clever, and so on. Okay. And the third, using noun phrase. What's noun phrase? Do you know noun phrase? Noun phrase is a noun followed by adjective. Kata benda yang diikuti sifatnya. For example, a beautiful girl. It is noun phrase. Okay. The purpose of the text. Tujuan dari teks deskriptif. Okay. Tujuannya apa? What is the purpose of descriptive text? The purpose of descriptive text is to describe a thing, animal, a place in specific way. Untuk mendeskripsikan bisa manusia, bisa benda, bisa tempat tadi, in specific way, secara khusus, bukan secara umum. Itu tujuan. Jadi untuk mendeskripsikan benda secara khusus itu aja ya. Itulah tujuannya. To describe thing in specific way. Okay, next. Well, student, in this occasion, Miss Mia just want to tell you in how to describe person, how to describe people. Okay. So, of course, in describe people, we use noun phrase, we use adjective. For example, I have a big car. Big is adjective. It is expensive. It is modern. Lah, modern, expensive, they are adjectives. Okay, yeah. You can read by yourself about how to describe people. Okay, stop. And describe people. And describe person. Yeah. Maybe not only physical appearance we have to describe, but also about personality. What is personality? Personality is kepribadian. How we describe about people personality. Okay, yeah. Personality, there are two aspects, yeah. One positive and then two negative. Okay. Positive, for example, cheerful, calm, thinker, clever, and so on. And then negative personality, for example, moody, jealous, anxious, impatient, and so on. Okay. Now, please, you can look to PowerPoint, Miss Mia PowerPoint. It is example of the text. You can read by yourself. You can explore where adjective and so on. And then below it, Miss Mia will give you a picture. There are two pictures, and then you choose one, only one. So there are two pictures. Please you choose one to describe. Okay. Describe about these pictures. Please only one. Which one do you choose? Okay. Please you describe. You do it, and then thank you. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.